Hello and welcome all to Acharya News. Here are the latest highlights from across our campuses, showcasing workshops, industrial visits, student initiatives, and activities that enrich learning beyond the classroom. The Department of Physiotherapy at Acharya's NR Institute of Physiotherapy conducted a professional session on integrating strength and conditioning into knee rehabilitation, focusing on evidence-based strategies to improve recovery, outcomes, and prevent re-injury. In other inspiring initiative, Acharya hosted UDAAN 2026 National Girl Child Day awareness and empowerment session and encouraging confidence, leadership, and career readiness among young women through expert-led discussions on safety, mental well-being, and professional growth. Acharya marked a key milestone by signing an MOU with the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India in collaboration with the Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, to promote innovation through mentorship, startup, exposure, and experiential learning opportunities. On the sports front, AFPL Season 2, a flagship inter-college tournament for faculty and staff, showcased exceptional teamwork and sportsmanship, with Acharya proudly securing the runner-up position. Adding to the sporting achievements, the Bengaluru City University Inter-College Handball Tournament 2025 and 26 was successfully hosted at Acharya Institute of Graduate Studies. Acharya secured the runner-up position in both men's and women's categories, demonstrating strong competitive spirit. Meanwhile, the baseball teams of Acharya Institute of Technology delivered outstanding performances at the Bangalore Baseball League, with the girls' team emerging as champions and the boys' team securing the runner-up title. And finally, in a grand celebration, Acharya Habba 2026 was launched on March 11th with a spectacular helicopter landing, marking the beginning of one of the most anticipated campus festivals. Thank you for watching Acharya News. Stay connected with us for more updates.